Hey guys, it's James and Paul, and we're on the Great American RV Trip.
Yes, we are. I'm James.
And I'm Paul, obviously.
We're saying hello from Flaming Gorge State Park.
Oh, it's actually built on a reservoir, and it's right on the Utah and Wyoming border.
Right.
It's the reservoir is nice. It's got a huge marina where you can rent a boat. People have docked their boats there. Really nice. The campground
is what we expected. It's 4th of July weekend. Families here. They've got a lot of boating activities and fishing activities. Kids running around on bikes and stuff. So it's definitely a vacation weekend for families.
And for us, it was just a quick overnight. The site was nice, though. Unfortunately, the only one available for us was a double site. And a double site meant double fee.
Well, that's all right. So, we needed a place.
Yeah, we had a huge site to ourselves.
Yesterday, we drove in through Dinosaur National Monument. And it was a beautiful drive, lots of ups and downs, lots of incredible vistas.
The views were great just off into the distance, and I had a little chance to get the drone out, got some drone videos there. And
after a quiet campfire last night, got a good night's sleep, a tiny bit of rain, which is always kind of refreshing.
Rinse the RV off a little bit, and then today, cross Wyoming. We're going to go all up into Wyoming, cross the entire state, and go just to almost to the South Dakota border. Staying at a state park there.
Go ahead.
Until then.
Oh, and so that means we're going to travel on.
Travel on, guys.
Like our videos, subscribe.
All right. Have a good one.